Changing LLC address in Florida. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to change LLC address in Florida. So let's get started and follow the steps till the end. First, make sure you have the correct information ready. This includes your current and updated business address along with your LLC details. Next, head to the Sunbiz website, which is the official portal for the Florida Department of State Division of Corporations. From there, you can update your LLC address in one of two ways. The one way is by filing an amendment to your Articles of Organization. Second one is by updating your annual report if the filing period is open. Choose the option that fits your situation. Finally, complete the online submission and pay the required filing fee, which can vary based on the type of change. And that's all. That's how you will be able to change your LLC address in Florida.